2023 come l'abbiamo incominciato.
Oggi è la fine del 2023 e oggi andiamo proprio alla pace.
Pace.
As you can see, Giusy and Massimo's shop is filled with amazing things. All the locals come here to make themselves like a panino or to get some odd bits. Giusy, do you speak English?
No, I don't speak.
Shop is lovely. They've got lots of little things according to the season. Right now they've got everything with New Year's Eve, La Befana, which is a custom. It's like, how can you explain La Befana?
La Befana is a story of a witch. Well,
Yeah.
she was a good witch.
Yeah.
So, she bought all sweet and nice sweet things for the kids
If
that
they were
behaved
good.
themselves for the year, throughout the year.
And if they were naughty, what did she bring?
It's what we call
Coal.
carbone. It's
Yeah.
like coal, but it's a sweet made out of black
Coal.
coloring.
So that's who she is. Yeah. Let's have a look a little bit around here. They have a fantastic website that you can go and have a look. Very typical Sicilian.
Website, you put in the link underneath the description.
Yeah, we'll do that as well. Fantastic panettone that you wouldn't find in a normal supermarket. Everything's very classy here. We have a huge selection of wines. They actually go to Marsala quite a bit, and they go do wine tasting and bring back the best wines for their customers. I'll show you this line of wine that I absolutely love. And I love it because it's got all the different labels and they done so well. It's Donna Fugata. But not only those, they've got a lot of stuff. You can buy a typical basket made up with lots of little things for Christmas and New Year. Christmas has gone by. And those are your typical Sicilian puppets up there. A bit fresh bread. We've been friends for years. We're absolutely good friends for years and years and years.
How's it, beautiful people?
How's it?
We have just arrived in Ortigia.
Yeah? It's old New Year. What do you call it?
Old Year's Eve.
Old Year's Eve, yeah. We're meeting a couple of friends
friends,
for
yeah.
some drinks. And we're going to celebrate.
Our New Year's together.
Yeah. So we'll take you along with us.
Yeah.
Wishing you all a happy new year. Lots of love from Massi and I.